Enjoy Yappy Hour with your dog at Mutt Lynch Winery in Windsor, Ca. Unleash your Pooch's inner athlete at the Somerville Dog Fest in Somerville, Ma. Unleash your Pooch's inner athlete at the Somerville Dog Fest in Somerville, Ma. Lounge on the shore at Longport Dog Beach in Somers Point, NJ. Let the Frisbees fly Skyhoundz Frisbee Dog Championships. Hit the trails or the beach at Douglas Family Preserve in Santa Barbara, Ca. Ring in the fall with Fido at the St. Helena Harvest Festival Pet Parade. Make a shelter Pooch day at Hiking and Hound in New York City and surrounding areas. Explore the outdoors at Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground in Florida. Bring your buddy along to the Biltmore estate in Asheville, NC. Check out the Speedy Wienies at the National Dachshund Races. Teach your hound to hang 10 at Del Mar Dog Beach's Good Karma Surf in California.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.